Anu Badra Kratavo Yantu Vishwataha. This Rigvedic quotation tells to us that let the good thoughts come to us from all sides. If we have to read these kind of quotations, we should keep our mind open. In that spirit, today I am having a good Subhashita in front of you. This Subhashita is taken from the Bhasa's work Pratigna Yogandharayana. The central message of this Subhashita is we should never lose the enthusiasm and we should go on putting the efforts so that we will become successful. I will read the Subhashita once to make it more clear for you. Kashtadagnihi jayate madhyamanat bhumistoyam kanyamana dadati sotsahanam nastya sadhyam naranam margarabdaha sarvayatnaha phalanti. Some people dream themselves by hoping one day they will get a good day. Those people simply sleep and their dreams won't become true at all as they have not put effort on that path. This Subhashita says, look at the Yagna Mantapa. In the Yagna Mantapa, the Vedic sages have believed in God. They have believed in the mantra. They have believed in the grace of God. Even though they have believed in the grace of God, the Vedic procedures and the mantras, but it begins with Agni Mathana. That means taking the two sticks, rubbing them one against the other, and then the fire breaks out, and with those sparks the fire grows in the Yagna Kundam, and then Yagna is being performed. How the fire has broken out? With the continuous effort of rubbing the sticks, the fire has broken out. And they have rubbed the sticks at a particular point continually. So, if the fire has to break out, two conditions. One, they should make the effort continuously, and they should put the effort on the same spot, and they should put the effort in the right way. So, afterwards only Yagna will be performed, the Devas will arrive and bless, and so that the main person of the Yagna will get the fruit. So, all believe in the effort on the right direction in a continuous way at the right spot. Leave that question. Let us come to the common field. Someone is thirsty and he wants to get the water. If he is in the forest, or if he is in some other place, or if he wants to have the water storage for a longer time, what he will do? He has to dig the well, or he has to go for the option of bore well. How he can get the bore well? He has to go at least to the depth of 500 meters, or sometimes anyhow 800 meters. Like that he should go in such a way, and then only he will get the water. In nowadays, where the water under the earth is so less, one has to go even 1,000 feet down. Yet they go. So, the effort is continuous. Secondly, if they do such kind of effort in a rocky area, water won't come from the earth. Probably by desperation, water may come from the eyes in the form of tears. So, to get the water from the well, effort should be continuous. It should be on the right path and with the right direction of the geologist. Then the water will come. Bhumistoyam kanyamana dadati. So, either in the spiritual field or in the materialistic field, to get the water or that one, effort should be continuous, it should be on the right path and on the right direction. So, learn this lesson. Sotsahanam nastya sadhyam naranam. For the people who are enthusiastic, nothing is impossible. I often rejoice at the students' quotation while they say, even the word impossible says, I am possible. If we are having such kind of conviction. In this aspect, I would like to put an incident in front of you so that it becomes clear for you. It is 1985, Christmas time. This incident happened in Chennai. It so happened that in Chennai, Krishna Gana Sabha, like that some association of music lovers is there. It is their practice even to attract the Hindus and celebrate the Christmas day by bringing the musicians and making them to sing and rejoice our culture. It so happened on one day they had called for a musician. Some rumors were going on that she has been admitted to the hospital and she may not come at all. But the organizers had not received any kind of statement, either positive or negative, so they were hoping for something. They were waiting for the car that the musician will come and so that the concert may start. But nothing happened as such. After some time, instead of the car, the ambulance came and one person was there on the stretcher. He was brought straight away to the stage, and on the stage, particularly on the stretcher, the singer was there and she sang for the competition of particularly for 1.5 hours. For that music concert, she sang, and after 1.5 hours, all audience clapped a lot, rejoiced a lot. And then after 1.5 hours on the stretch only, she went and again got admitted to the hospital. The name of that musician is M.L. Vasant Kumari. The body was not cooperative, but mind was firm that being a musician, that too on that day, I should glorify the Hindu culture. This made the audience to rejoice a lot. So, do you want any further examples to prove? Sotsahanam nastya sadhyam naranam marga rabdaha sarva yatna palanti. All efforts started on the right fruit. All efforts started on the right path will fruit. So, we shall keep this in mind always, and so that we shall begin the effort on the right path continually under the right direction of persons. This is the message of our Subhashitas. If we go on that line, surely like Bhagirath, who has brought the heavenly river Ganga to the earth, we can make miracles on this earth. Not on this earth, at least on our daily life or in our homes. Why can't we do it? Please remember this message, that if you are enthusiastic, everything will be achieved. I often say, students, whether you follow Hinduism or Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, whatever ism you follow, but you must have first the enthusiasm. Have that enthusiasm and work. With this message, I will close this session and I will meet you on tomorrow. Shri Krishnarpanam Astu.